Hi, this is Leon at the Computer Room Nottingham. What I've got here is the parts of a iPad mini that's been sent to us for repair. It originally was being repaired by someone else. They then decided that they couldn't complete the repair, so it was sent to us instead. So here it is at the moment in the state that it's in. What we're going to do is get everything done to be able to put the screen in and get it switched back on and working. What we have here is the new touchscreen without the IC soldered on. I am guessing the IC is going to be somewhere under here, or possibly in the packaging. I'll check where, so that we can solder that in. Then we can fit the new screen, get the LCD in place, clips in, and then we'll move on. Alright, then this is the first place that we're starting with. This is the IC that the screen is soldered onto for the flex cable. Now what we have, it was looking pretty much like this, but we still had some flex cable from the old screen still left. We've desoldered that now, so it's just the raw IC itself. We'll get that soldered on, and then we'll move on with the repair. Soldering this IC on, we've just started that. If we look sort of in the centre here, you can see that it's not soldered in place. We've soldered it at each end just to sort of get it in exactly the right place with reference to the point at each end. So that, yeah, all we need to do now is solder everything up all the way along. It's in exactly the right place, so once we've got that soldered in, we'll move on with the home button circuit next, which is here. That needs to be soldered to the underside of the screen. Then we'll reassemble the iPad. Alright, then here we are. This is the soldering complete on this side of things. Now what we're going to do now, turn it over. Then we've got the home button circuit to solder in here. It's not as much soldering as you can see. But once we've got that done, then we're going to just flip the whole circuit over, stick it in place. Alright, so here we are. We've got this soldering just completed. So like I said, we're going to flip everything over so it's in position. This is going to be stuck into place for the home button, and then we'll move on. Okay, we've got the screen assembly here all ready to go. Just click in, hope you can hear this. Pressing the home button, it's got a good click to it, nice and happy. So with that, we're going to reassemble the iPad now, and we'll see it working. Alright, then here we are. We've got the screen in place. It's not stuck down yet, as you can see. If I press that, you can see some movement there, because all I've done is just put the screen in place for testing. As you can see though, with the soldering that's being done for the touchscreen and the home button, it's working absolutely fine. So there's no problems there. Now what I'm going to do now really is just test a little bit more, stick the screen down, and then alright, then here we are. We're nearly ready to stick the screen down. We've got the adhesive around the edge of the frame, so we're just going to peel the backings off, stick the screen down, and we'll test to make sure everything's okay. Alright, then here we are. We've got the screen stuck down, as you can see, going around all the edges of the screen, no problem at all. Touch screen as well, absolutely fine, no problem whatsoever. So that's pretty much it. Now this is iPad mini has been sent to us for us to complete a repair. The screen was sent with it after the repair was started. Bit of a challenge for the person that started it, so they sent it to us and we've completed it. All working, no problem at all, and that is that. Now if you've got your own iPad mini in this case with screen problems, it needs changing, repairs being done with parts of your own, anything like that, then please do give us a call or send us a message. As you can see, we can always help.